Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to download videos in Kling AI, a tool that lets you create AI-generated videos quickly. First, open Kling AI in your browser or app and sign in to your account. Once logged in, either create a new video using your prompt or select one of your previously generated videos from your dashboard. After the video finishes generating, click on it to open the video preview page. On the preview page, look for the Download button, usually located below or near the video player. Some versions of Kling AI might label it as Export or show a downward arrow icon. Click on it, and the video will start downloading to your device. Depending on your browser and device settings, it will either save automatically to your default Downloads folder or prompt you to choose a location. If Kling AI provides multiple download options, you can choose the video quality or format, such as MP4, before starting the download. Make sure to pick the one that works best for your intended use, whether it's for social media, presentations, or personal archives. And that's it! You now have your AI-generated video saved on your device. Always remember to check your file after download to ensure it's saved correctly. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips on AI tools and video creation.